Hi, I'm Hope from @Hopebroidery, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do the modified cloud filling stitch. This is an open fill technique popular in crewel embroidery and can be used on any shape or design you like. Start by stitching long straight stitches across your shape, trying to keep them as evenly spaced out as possible. I like to start in the middle and work my way out toward the edges of my shape, filling in the gaps after I've placed a few guideline stitches. If you want to make these super even and more perfectly spaced, you can draw these lines out for yourself before you start stitching. Now you'll repeat that same step, but bringing your stitches down from the opposite direction, essentially creating these giant cross stitches on your shape. If you want to create actual cross stitches to stitch your base rather than doing these giant fake cross stitches, that's totally fine, but I can't really tell a difference when I do that versus what I'm doing here, and what I'm doing here is much faster. Once your base is stitched, you'll couch your base stitches down wherever they cross. I'm using a different color of floss here because I think it's easier to follow, but you can use the same color here if you like. I refer to this as modified cloud filling stitch because I'm basically doing it backwards or wrong, whatever that means in embroidery. I honestly think it's easier this way, especially if you're filling in something more complicated shape-wise than a basic rectangle like what I'm doing here. I've used this stitch to fill in leaves by using the same color of green for the base and the couching portion, and it turned out super cute, and the interesting texture it provides made the resulting pattern more unique, I think. This is a great way to fill a space when you're not wanting to cover all of your fabric as you do in closed filling techniques such as satin stitch, brick stitch, basket filling stitch, or other similar stitches. And if you're interested in more in-depth, beginner-friendly embroidery tutorials like this, I'll leave a few helpful links for you in the description of this video. You can also always easily find my blog where I regularly post new tutorials by typing in embroiderytutorials.com. That'll redirect you straight to my blog.